a mess. We were nervous. We were actually at the starting point of not knowing where to start even, so
yeah, just not knowing where to start, how to start, what to do really, and for me, information overload. Just don't know what direction, if it would be a right fit, if I would get what we needed out of it. That's a big one. Is it going to be valuable?
I think for me it was because of that support afterwards. We've done workshops previously it was just for like business information. I feel like with content creating it's more involved than just 2 days.
Yeah, I think it was the support, and I think you sold it and sort of got me excited about feeling more comfortable creating content and I guess leading our brand with actual tools.
A huge amount beforehand, because we were very private in regards of any post, so we have an open mind for sure about that.
Feel more confident, and I actually do have the skills, I just have been resistant to using them. Watching you go through a lot of it, I do know how to do it, I just need to apply that now. I can come away feeling a bit more confident in applying the skills. I like the structure, how to structure the content. Like I need a loose plan, I guess, and direction, and I feel like I really got direction on how to create properly.
Mine was the demonstrations. I'm a visual person, so to see it live, it was just awesome to see.
Real value. Like I've done more of online workshops, but I've come out at the end with nothing of real value. So I think that's what I've got out of this, actual value. Trust, I guess, Trust in your brand, trust in that I can trust someone who's going to give a workshop. Because I have, after the few, very little, and now I'm a hard sell. So yeah, I would recommend it because you know what you're talking about and the proof is in the pudding.